In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send the love screen effect and more on iMessage. We'll explore a few fun ways to add some magic to your text messages, making them more interactive and expressive. So let's get started. First things first, open up your Messages app on your device. This is your gateway to sending those heartfelt messages in a memorable way. Once you're in, select the conversation where you want to send the special message. Alternatively, you can start a new conversation by picking a contact from your list. Next, type your message. This could be something as simple as "I love you" or something more elaborate like "You mean the world to me." The message is entirely up to you, and what you feel captures your sentiments best. Now here comes the fun part. Once you have your message ready, you'll need to press and hold the send arrow, which you'll find on the right side of the text box. This is different from quickly tapping it, as a long press will open up a whole suite of options for you. You'll notice two tabs appear, Bubble and Screen. Go ahead and tap on the Screen tab at the top. This will allow you to access a range of dynamic screen effects, each designed to complement the emotion you're trying to convey with your message. Now swipe left through the effects until you find the one labelled Love, which features a screen full of floating hearts. This particular effect is perfect for those sincere and affectionate messages, as the animated hearts beautifully reinforce the sentiment you're sending. Once you've settled on the love effect, it's as easy as tapping the send arrow once again. This time, when your recipient opens your message, their screen will be filled with those delightful floating hearts, creating a magical and unforgettable moment. In addition to the love effect, I encourage you to experiment with other screen effects that can add variety and fun to your messages. For instance, the spotlight effect highlights your message with a glowing circle, drawing special attention to your words. The balloons effect sends vibrant balloons floating up the screen, ideal for celebrating birthdays or congrats. Then there's the confetti effect, where a delightful burst of confetti rains down the screen, perfect for a celebration. Fireworks are always a hit, as they light up the screen and make your message feel like a grand announcement. Lastly, the gentle effect softens your message with a subtle fade in, making it perfect for those intimate and tender moments. So there you have it, simple yet effective ways to enhance your iMessages with dynamic screen effects, each bringing a little extra joy and excitement to your conversations. Try them out and see how these animations take your messaging to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy texting.